Hey, it's the Batch Lady here, and I am in the kitchen to talk to you today not about a new recipe, but about different things that you can use, different equipment that you can use if you've got kids in the kitchen. Now, I love raising capable kids. I love empowering kids to know as many different skills as they can know throughout life. I think it is a great thing. Chopping a vegetable is as good as riding a bike, and using scissors is as good as learning to ski. All of these things come together to encompass and make just brilliant kids moving forward. So we're talking about lots of different things that are available today that your kids, especially even tiny ones, can get going with. From about the age of 5, they can get chopping. I'm going to show you different parts of this little set, this open nail little French knife, and I really like it because they can get their hands in it, they put their finger there and sit and chop like that. It's a really good chopper. It comes with a little peeler as well, and it even comes with one of these little safety guards so that when they're chopping, it's not going to chop their fingers off. If this one's quite pricey, but if you can't afford that, then these things are also great. These were just a couple of pounds from Amazon, and they're plastic knives, but they've actually got a good cut on them, but they're still very safe as well. Little scissors are brilliant for tiny little fingers. Get them using little scissors and they can still chop up ham, do lots of things. You're going to see it in the video just coming up next of little kids being able to help doing this. Spoons are excellent as well. No weighing and measuring, doesn't have to be precise. Just choose an easy recipe that they can spoon all the ingredients into the bag themselves. And of course, things like these amazing ice lolly molds that are silicone are also very good. Here is Finlay and Jenna in the kitchen, giving the equipment a go, learning lots of new skills. All this equipment is available on my Amazon shop. I'll put the link below. How cute are these little kids? I am loving working with them this summer. Do go and check out stuff. Get your kids in the kitchen.